Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Tech and Reviews. In today's video, let's quickly check how to set ringtones on iPhone
of your choice.
So there are limitations to set ringtones directly on iPhone. For example, if I go to settings, so let's say I go to settings, I scroll down to sound and haptics and ringtones, select your number, and if you scroll down here, I'm not able to see anything like custom. It's all inbuilt ringtones which is available right now. So let's quickly see how to set the ringtones on your iPhone without using your system, without using iTunes. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get in the video. Please enjoy. So as I was saying, if you see here, there is no custom settings available for setting the ringtone. Usually in Android you'll see custom and you can set the ringtones from your files, but in iPhone it's not available. You'll have to either connect it to your system, go to iTunes, and send the ringtone from there. The other way is to directly do it from your iPhone itself. So first of all, download your favorite ringtones. So I usually go to zedge.net, and from here I download the ringtone of my choice. So let's say I want to set this ringtone. I'll download it. So there'll be ad for some time. So you'll get this save option. Click on save to files, and then the ringtone will be downloaded. Now what you need to do is search for GarageBand. It should be already available on iPhones. If it's not, then you can download it from App Store. Open this. You need to use it in landscape mode. Click on continue. So click on this mic icon or plus icon, anything is fine. Just click on that. Then click on this icon, something like a stack. So click on that icon. Here you can stack different instruments. So one is mic over here. So we're not going to do anything with that. We'll just keep as it is, and click on this loop icon over here beside the setting. Click on this loop icon. Go to files. Click on browse items from files. Click on that, and now you can sort it by date. If you don't see it here, then you can go to Chrome. That's where it will get downloaded. Now just click on that downloaded ringtone. Here you can play, and then just you need to hold and drag it. So you need to drag, not select. You need to hold it and drag it upwards. It will come to this position where the mic is. Now if you want, you can play it from here. And then next thing what you need to do is click on this my songs. You can export it from here. So once it is saved, you can long press, click on share, and here you'll get that option for setting it as ringtone. Click on ringtone and click on continue. You can give the name for this ringtone, whatever you wish. I'll give it as Bella Ciao iPhone. And once if it's done, you can click on export. So once this is done, you can click on use sound as. You can set it as standard ringtone, standard text tone, or assigned to a particular contact. Or if you go to settings now, so let's say I'm going back to settings, search for settings, and here go to sound and haptic, ringtone, select your number, and here you can see that sound coming up. And that ringtone will come up over here. It's that simple. So yeah, that is a quick video which I wanted to make. Hope this was useful. If it was useful, let me know in the comments. And if you like the video, please do hit the like button, subscribe, comment. Let's catch again next video. Until then, see you.